As humanity learns more and more about medicine and the workings of the human body, the life expectancy of humans continue to grow to amazing levels. There are some studies projecting lifespans that are approaching remarkable levels as high as 90 years of age. Many claim that these feats can be attributed to science fiction. It has been said many times over the years that science fiction provides future ideas for technology. With that in mind, we decided to examine 8 cases where science fiction creations are slowly making humans immortal. Stay tuned. This is Mind Guild. Science fiction creation number 1, blood factories. Needless to say, blood is a cornerstone of human life, and blood transfusions have become vital in the field of medicine. There are 2 problems associated with blood transfusions, however. The first is that it has to be donated from other humans, and the second is matching up the proper blood type to avert an immune system attack. Science has solved both of these problems by manufacturing red blood cells from the universal O-negative blood type, which can be given to anyone regardless of their blood type. Science fiction creation number 2, growing body parts. We grow up watching crazy scientists on the movie screens creating monsters and body parts. What's even crazier is that today's scientists are actually culturing body parts in labs. Not only do lab-grown body parts look perfectly fine, they work perfectly fine as well. Many different parts have been successfully grown, such as ears, noses, and vaginas, with no side effects. Science fiction creation number 3, reversing paralysis. Spinal cord injuries are among the most horrible afflictions a human being can endure. In so many instances, these injuries result in paralysis. Amazing research has discovered that electrical impulses applied to nerve tissue in the spine have been very effective. In many cases, modern scientists have been able to return voluntary movement to people who were supposed to be paralyzed for life. When used in conjunction with traditional physical therapy, these electrical impulse treatments have been nothing short of miraculous. Science fiction creation number 4, reversing the aging process. One dream of science and medicine has always been reversing the aging process, or at least slowing it down. Recently, a group of scientists have discovered a chemical in the blood of young people which could have an amazing impact of debilitating the effects of old age. Furthermore, 2 other groups have confirmed the same results in experiments with mice. Clinical trials are expected to begin soon to pave the way for genuine anti-aging injections. Science fiction creation number 5, medication monitoring. Regardless of how we humans progress, there will always be times when we are just plain lazy and forgetful. And certainly this is not the best frame of mind to be in when you're taking medications. Presently in development are tiny sensors and skin patches that you can wear which will remind you when to take your medicines. Furthermore, they will also monitor how your body is reacting to the medication so that you and your doctor can correct problems immediately. Science fiction creation number 6, printing new hearts. With heart disease as the number 1 killer in America, there will always be a demand for heart transplants. Of course, the biggest factor with heart transplants is finding a donor with a healthy heart. Presently in the works are groups working on creating new hearts with 3D printers. They have successfully created specific parts of a human heart, and it is believed that within the next decade they'll be able to print an entire heart for those in need of transplants. Science fiction creation number 7, bionic arms. Who hasn't thought about having bionic limbs after seeing so many science fiction shows and movies with characters who possess them? The biggest challenge to create a bionic limb is enabling the human brain to directly communicate with its inner workings. Believe it or not, there has been amazing recent development on the creation of a bionic arm for amputees. At present, these bionic arms have successfully performed tasks like zipping a coat and unlocking a door with a key. Science fiction creation number 8. Suspended animation. Scientific researchers do not like using the term suspended animation, although many will admit that they are indeed suspending life. And we are seeing these techniques being used more and more. The basic concept is to replace a patient's blood with very cold saline solution to induce hypothermia, which slows down bodily functions and activities. This buys time for the surgeons and physicians to fix the problems found with the patient. While the patient isn't necessarily alive during this suspended state, they are certainly not dead either. In essence, it can be argued that doctors are bringing patients back to life after they are treated. Thanks for watching our video. Let us know what you think. Please give us a like, a share, and a comment. And be sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future discussions. Until next time, this is Mind Guild.